girl with confidence. When I got a roll our hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I girl who can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, I am fine. Thank you so much for tuning in. If today is your first time here, my name is Chelsea and I review wigs in this channel. I review all types of wigs from different companies. Okay, I'm not a hairstylist, but I try my best to install the wigs the way I like. Okay, so if it's your first time here, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So today's wig I'll be revealing is from Yoowigs. So this is the wig in here. They kept this inside. There is a card that came with the wig as well. Inside this card, you have their contact, their WhatsApp number, their website. Everything is written here, as you can see. Dear Yoowigs lover, thanks for choosing Yoowigs, one of the top quality hair manufacturer in China. Provide best quality human hair wigs, bundles and frontals. And if you scan this QR code, you're going to get a $50 reward, which is a good day, so you can scan this. Okay, so guys, this is the wig. You can see the color, brown and gold, and the hair is straight. The knot came bleached and the hairline plucked. Okay, so one thing I like with Yoowigs, they always pluck their hairline and also bleach their knots. That is one thing I like with them, because if you are a beginner, you don't know how to pluck hair, it's not easy. Even with me, it's very difficult for me. Okay, so when I see that they pluck the hairline and the knots bleached, I'm so happy. So with that, you don't need to do much. Okay, especially if you're a beginner. So this is the wig. You can see it's so gorgeous. So guys, I'm going to put the details of the wig on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. I always review their wigs every month. Okay, so when you go through my channel, you're going to see so many wigs from them that I have reviewed, because their wigs, they have quality. If you buy from them, you will testify. Okay, all right, you can read some of the comment from the comment section. Some of the wigs that I've reviewed before, you can read people's comment for you to be convinced. Okay, I will always tell you the truth about any wig. If the wig share, I will tell you that this hair share. If the hair tangle, I will tell you that this hair tangle. Be careful. So I always tell you the truth about any hair I review. So today's wig, there's nothing like shedding and doesn't have any bad smell on it. Okay, and the hair is so soft. And one thing is straight. I like straight hair. I always like to install the wig the way they came. I don't like manipulating the hair too much, so that you can see really how the hair is when you want to order it. Okay, so when you order yours, when you want to coil it or you want to do whatever you want with it, you can go ahead and do that. But me, when I install the wigs, I don't want to manipulate the wig. I just install it the way it came from the website. All right, with all that being said, let me head into this hair installation. Just watch. I'm going to put music on the background, and please gorgeous, before you go, if you like it here, why not hit on the subscribe button and that bell icon, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any video. And don't forget, I'm going to leave all details about this wig on the description box, so if you're interested, dash to the description box and check that out. So this is the inside of the wig. It came with some combs and inbuilt adjustable strap, which is this one. So this is the back. You can see that there is a comb at the back and by the sides as well. You can see the inside.
what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you.
So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link on the description box. If you're interested, you can check that out. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll like hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go you can go slow, wind it up all night.